Hi everyone. Today we will be discussing about Nagar One scheme or urban forest scheme. This was there in the news because on the occasion of World Environment Day, that is on 5th June, the Union government has announced the implementation of the Nagar One scheme to develop 200 urban forests across the country in next 5 years. So you should note that they will be developing about 200 urban forests, that is also within a time period of 5 years. And if you are speaking about the Environment Day of 2020, that is World Environment Day, the theme of that particular day is celebrating biodiversity, a concern that is both urgent and existential. So most of the exams they will be asking about the theme of the particular day or world day. So this is an important part of this topic, that is theme of this World Environment Day. So note that the theme is celebrating biodiversity, a concern that is both urgent and existential. And the main points are like this will be implemented with the people's participation. That is very important. Most of the schemes, if it is with the help of people, means common public, this will become very successful. So in this scheme also people participation is very important, and also they will be also collaborating with the forest department, municipal bodies, NGOs, corporates. Okay, so as this the environment and also the forestation is closely a part of the forest department, they will be involved in this scheme, and also along with them there will be municipal bodies, NGOs and corporates and the public. Okay, and the land where they will be planted, because even though this is in the urban area, the most of the problem with the urban area is that they will be the area will be tightly packed. It will be difficult for identifying the proper area for the planting. So the area will be either the forest land or any other vacant area. Okay, any other vacant land offered by the local urban local bodies. Okay, so if they are offering land, we will, or the forest people will be planting this forest in that particular area, or if that land is not available, it will be in the forest land itself. So it will be best if there is any barren land in the middle of the city or in the outskirts of the city. That will be the better, because it will be easy to compensate if it is in the urban area itself. Okay, if it is not available, it will be in the forest land. And the complete idea of this new scheme or urban forest scheme is based on Smridhi in the Vaji area of the Pune city. So they have already developed a particular urban forest in their Pune city, that is in the Vaji area. So this forest now has a rich biodiversity with 23 plant species, 29 bird species, 15 butterfly species, 10 reptiles and 3 mammal species. And the area they have planted, or they have turned this area into forest, is just about 16.8 hectares. So this if you are looking at the numbers, you can see that this is not a big number, just 23 plant species, 29 bird species likewise. But what they have done is they have converted 16.8 hectares of land into forest. This is not a small thing, this is very appreciable thing, because turning a land area into forest, this is not a one day's work. It need very much effort over a period of time. Okay, so what they have done is they have identified the area and they have isolated that area from the encroachment, because whenever there is a barren area, there will be a tendency for the people living around that area to encroach that land. Okay, this is seen mostly in the river areas and also in the boundaries of forest, etc. So what the forest officials have done, they have avoided or removed all the encroachment around this area with the help of the people living in that area itself. Okay, so with their participation, what they have done is they have planted many species of plants in that area, and also they allotted or they allowed the people to plant their own type of plants in that area in the memory of their loved ones, etc. So in the memory of their loved ones, and also on their uh, precious occasions, they planted different variety of plants. So gradually this area developed into forest, and they also provided some kind of a trek path through this forest, so that people can walk through this forest, and also they can enjoy and feel the forest while walking through that area. So people started getting benefit out of this forest, and also they automatically they supported this initiative. So they are getting now benefit from this forest, and also this forest is benefiting from them also because of their support. So this is what they have done in this Varje area in Smritivan. Okay, so this is the model for the 200 forest, urban forest that now the Ministry of Forest has been planning. Okay, and the finance of the schemes will be coming from the CAMBA, that is Compensatory Afforestation Fund, based on the Act of 2016. So according to the CAMBA means this is compensatory afforestation. That means whenever they are, or whenever a company or any industry or mining is clearing a particular area of forest, they will have to pay equally for the planting forest over an equal area of non-forest land. So how much land is degraded, or how much forest land is destroyed due to this their industry or mining activity, they have to plant the equal amount of forest in a non-forest land. So how much it will cost for planting that non-forest land, they will have to pay to the government. That is what is CAMBA is. If that land is not available, then twice the area of degraded forest land must be given to the government. Okay, so this is what is compensatory afforestation. So whatever may be the forest they have degraded, they have to compensate that forest in another area with the same area. Okay, so that is what is compensatory afforestation. So when they are paying back that money, 90% of the CO money will be given to the states, while 10% is to be retained by the center. So that is what is the ratio of this split of this money, where the money is going. So 90% of the money will be with the states, and 10% will be with the center. So for this scheme, they will be using this CAMBA fund, and they will be developing 200 urban forest area. Okay, so this is the small idea about this particular scheme. And if this is becoming a big success, there will be a lot of change in the cities, because they will be getting a lot of means people around living around this urban areas will be getting fresh air, and there will be a lot of reduction in the pollution, because all the carbon dioxide emitting from this vehicles and industries will be absorbed by this forest land located in the urban area. So that's all. Thank you.